Facebook just made the biggest mistake ever. In the last Meta release notes, they missed a call in the ad set billing value, which means you can run Facebook ads for free, so you can dropship without any payment. In this video, I am going to show you this secret way you can use this mistake, but make sure you follow along this process, since things get a bit complicated. This glitch has allowed me to make over $1,500 on Shopify dropshipping in the last week. So the first thing you want to do is make a Facebook ads account. If you haven't done this yet, you can do so at facebook.com/business/ads. Then you want to go to Advertise and click the button that says Go to Ads Manager. From here, you want to create a new ad you want to run, so make sure that you choose the right campaign objective, which will depend on your business type. If you do Amazon FBA, print on demand, or Shopify dropshipping like me, make sure you choose sales as your objective, then click Continue. From here, you will want to create one ad and set your targeting, then click Publish. Now we will edit the code to set the billing value right before it's sent to Facebook's server for data processing. To do this, we will need a few tools. The first is Visual Studio Code or a code editor of your choice. I personally use Vim. The next tool we need is the Live Server extension, so we can edit the code value in real time. I forgot to mention that if your website is hosted on platforms like Webflow or any other offshore hosting site, have to wait for my update video, because the way Facebook Pixel tracks its spend for those sites is completely different, since it uses fraud protection. Now it's time for us to edit the Facebook Ad Manager code that is sent on the behalf of Facebook's server. To do this, open your Facebook Ad Manager and click F12. Now click a button on your Facebook ad you made before that you want to use for dropshipping. Navigate to the Network section, Inspect Element. From here, you can see all the names of objects you interact with. Click on one of them and copy the code. Now, you want to paste the code in Visual Studio and navigate to the section where you see something called Billing Value and change it to 0. Now minimize Visual Studio and open the browser and refresh the Facebook Ad Manager. If the Live Server extension is properly working, you can now compile and run the code. After you click Publish in Visual Studio, we're going to inject the code we just written to send to Facebook. After you receive the request upon clicking Publish, you can see the request inspect the element. Basically, Facebook now thinks that the billing value is 0. In other words, the daily budget you selected is going to be used since it's written in an unaffected field from the last update. But how much you get actually billed for it will be 0. If you guys have any other questions, please leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.